Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first fixes. Make sure Bluetooth is actually on and both devices are within effective range. Distance kills signals. Once done, disable airplane mode and pause any apps that may hold the radio. You should toggle Bluetooth off for about 10 seconds, then back on. This resets the radio. If a simple toggle fails, reboot each device, because system restarts clear temporary driver or stack issues that block pairing. Next, you remove lingering pair records and address software causes. First, forget the problematic device on both ends so you create a clean pairing. Lingering profiles often block reboots from fixing things. Then update Bluetooth drivers or firmware because outdated stacks commonly cause incompatibilities. Apply OS or accessory updates and reboot after. Also check for radio interference. Move away from routers, microwaves, or USB 3.0 ports, since they can drown out BLE and classic Bluetooth signals and cause. To finish, perform advanced isolation steps and a key troubleshooting tip. If pairing still fails, boot into safe mode or do a clean boot to rule out third-party apps that hijack Bluetooth. If that narrows it down, uninstall or update the culprit. You can reset network settings or the Bluetooth module on many phones and PCs. This wipes cached configs that can be corrupted. If problems persist, test the accessory with a different host. If it works there, the host needs repair. If not, replace or update the accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.